Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different assistants or VAs. So maybe you want to put them in your HoneyBook to help manage your customer base. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member, here on the top right in your initial, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Company Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this other menu here on the left, and in order to add an admin or team member, click here on Team. Okay, next you're going to see all the team members you have inside your HoneyBook. You can see it's just me right here. And in order to add an admin or team member, you're going to click on this invite button. Now, if you're giving access to a bookkeeper and they need access to the financials, you're going to want to go ahead and give access right here. But again, that's only for bookkeepers or your accountant. If you're simply adding an admin or team member, you want to click here on invite. Okay, once you click on invite, you're going to need to enter in their email address, their full name. This other information is optional. And then you want to go ahead and choose their role. So you can choose between basic, moderator, admin, and super admin. If you need help with the differences on those, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see a pop-up. It went by pretty quick saying that you added a new team member. So they're not going to have access until they go into their email and accept the invitation. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.